Hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general health, career, and finances reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of April 2026. I'm not a health coach or financial advisor, medical practitioner, or anything like that. I'm just reading the cards and the energies. If they resonate and you feel like the messages are for you, this is your free will. What kind of like decisions are you guys going to take, right? You are responsible for your own decisions, honey, not the card reader or no one on the internet. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You guys will find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono master class 2, links are given below. So let's start. Cancer, for your health, let's see what we have for this month. So we have the devil. You guys have to keep yourself as away as you guys can from addictions. Any kind of addiction, any kind of overdoing anything, any kind of unhealthy attachment to anything is going to cost you. Maybe not immediately, but eventually. This can be any kind of unhealthy habit, unhealthy eating habit. Maybe it can be like being over alcoholic, over smoking, overeating. Especially if you guys already have issues, don't do stupid things with your health, Cancer. Otherwise, you guys are going to suffer for sure. The devil energy here represents that something that you know is not good for you, still you are doing it out of addiction, out of stupidity, is not going to be a good idea for you guys. And then you cannot blame the whole universe for your own fucked up, stupid energies. Okay? Guidance, 10 of Swords. If you don't want to go through the worst kind of month in your health, don't, I repeat, don't do anything stupid. Stop immediately the addictions, something that you should be stopping right now, but you are continuously taking your health for granted. Stop doing that. Cancer, this month is a warning month for you guys. When it comes to your health, you guys are going to have serious health issues if you guys are not going to take care of your health, period. I don't want to say anything more. I don't want to explain anything more. For those of you who are doing job or working for others, we have the 8 of Wands. You guys might get a chance to go to abroad country. There is going to be fast and forward movement in your career. Things will start moving very fastly, and there is a lot of potential of growth and expansion. Okay, so if you guys are having some kind of talks when it like regarding some kind of promotion or salary hike or something, it's going to be accelerated, and there are very good chances that you might end up getting that by the end of this month. Guidance as a magician, keep on manifesting whatever you want when it comes to your job or career. Have a crystal clear understanding of what you really want to achieve, what you really want to get, and you are going to get the results accordingly. Crystal clear clarity in your manifestation is going to bring you the kind of results that you guys are looking forward to have when it comes to your job thing. For those of you who are self-employed or doing business, we have the 7 of Cups. You guys are going to feel a little bit like emotionally overwhelmed. Either you are trying to manage so many businesses at the same time, and it's draining your energies. You're not able to understand what you should do and what you should not do, or you are trying to do one business in so many ways that it is going to make you feel emotionally overwhelmed. So you guys have to focus on only one or two businesses and or one or two methods or techniques to make your business thing work out in your favor. Instead of being all over the place, you guys have to shift your focus on one or two things and give your best. Otherwise, again, it's going to be all over the place kind of a thing, and you guys are going to be all like very confused and very distracted. The guidance, 8 of Cups. You might be very much attached to certain things, certain situations in your life. You guys are not able to detach and walk away. The time has come for you to detach completely or cut your energies completely from those situations, those businesses, or those things that are not working out in your favor anymore. So the time has come for you to detach and let go of those things at least that are not working out in your favor. You tried, you failed, it's okay, move on, right? But if you are going to hold on to something that's not working out in your favor, no matter how hard you are trying, then you are wasting your precious time, efforts, and energy. What's wrong with my leg? It's an illusion. Anyways, for those of you who are looking for, I don't like it. Whenever I'm with my father, I become a little child, like little baby girl. I'm at my parents' house these days. Anyways, so if you're looking for another opportunity, whether it's your job thing or business thing, whether you're a fresher or somebody who is an experienced person, we have the Ace of Cups. There are very good chances of you guys getting a brand new opportunity that is going to fill your heart with joy and happiness. There are very good chances of you getting a good opportunity, a brand new opportunity that's going to make you feel emotionally overwhelmed, but in a happy way, in a beautiful and positive way. Guidance here is the Ace of Wands. Okay, you guys have to be active. You guys have to actively look for it, and when you are going to get it, you guys have to be active. Like you have to be confident. Avoid overconfidence. Second, don't be in any kind of impulse or rush or hurry just because you're getting the passionate energies of okay, let's do it. You might end up fucking up something really very very good. Okay, try not to make any kind of choices or decisions when you are pumped up and when you are impassionate on or those kind of energies of oh my god, let's do it, let's do this, let's do that. Calm down, relax. Emotions are also going to be high, and active energies, impulsiveness is also going to be high. So you guys have to find the stable base, the ground. You guys have to ground yourself, control your impulses, and then keep moving forward, right? For your finances, we have the Six of Swords. Finally, you guys will be able to figure out a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys were facing in your financial department, maybe from the last 6 months to 6 weeks or so, right? So, you guys will be able to make peace with your financial energy and things will start moving smoothly. Although, whatever like baggage or whatever issue you guys were facing is still going to be there, but it's not going to be there with that much intensity the way it used to be in the recent past, right? So you guys will be able to figure out the solution here when it comes to your finances, how to make peace, how to invest properly or save properly, so that you guys are going to move on towards calmer water. Okay. Okay, anyways, the guidance is the Knight of Pentacles. Slow and steady is going to win the race for you guys, Cancer. Again, don't be in any kind of impulsive energy. Don't be in any kind of rush or hurry to invest like somewhere or save too much. Or, sometimes when we are not able to get the good results the way we wanted, we start spending too much. We feel like, why the hell I should save when I'm not able to get the results? What's the use of even doing that, right? So don't be in any kind of that kind of impulsive or being in rush kind of energies and making stupid decisions and choices and then regretting it later on. Focus on long term investment plans, and find a middle ground in your savings and in your spending. Okay, don't overdo anything, otherwise you will not be able to enjoy the money. In everything in our life, we have to find a balanced kind of approach, right? Two extremes, living in like either the extreme like spending, either the or the extreme saving, it's not going to help you. And slow, very very slow, focus on the long term investment goals that are going to give you something good in return. Let's say, for example, right now I am earning so that I can have a good savings for my 50s and 60s, right? If I'm going to live till that point, of course. But as I'm planning not to get married and not to have kids, so this is my responsibility to save for my future. So I'm doing it slowly but surely. I'm focusing on the long term goals, and also I'm enjoying my money whenever I can, right? So that's how I am that's how it's working. It's going to work out for you as well. It's actually going to work out for everyone the way I'm telling you guys, but again, it's your free will. It's your responsibility, but slow and steady is definitely going to win the race for you guys. So, quick money making schemes, all that glitters is not gold, and any kind of recklessness is going to cost you for sure. But for this month, please take care of your health. That is the most important chapter for your life, right? So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.